Video, we are going to demonstrate the new features on your new Horizons coding tool. So when you sign in, you'll see the eSOA document signing and the document locker. The eSOA is where you can take those electronic scope of appointments. The document locker is going to store all of the scopes that you take on the coding platform. So to start a new scope, I'll click on View List. If I wanted to preview what that looks like or download a copy of just a generic form, I can do so on here as well. But we're going to start the electronics scope by hitting Start Document. From there, we're going to give the document a name and hit Save and Continue. This is agreeing to the terms and the conditions of the electronic signature process. You'll hit I agree and then continue. There's two options for signature type. If you are in the same physical location as your client, you can do the applicant providing identification information, which would be the mother's maiden name and the last four of their social. Or if you are not in the same physical location, you can do the email signature link that will then send your client verification code where they can enter in their information, and then it is sent back to you to complete your portion. In this example, we'll say we are in the same physical location. The applicant will provide their identification information. Then I'll hit continue. Then I will go over this form with the client, them letting me know which plans they agree to discuss today. Then they will type in their name. And then their signature is the mother's maiden name, and then the last four of their social. And then this is just the city and the state in which they are signing in. The zip code, and then they'll hit Apply e-signature, Save and Continue. And then the agent will then complete their portion of the form. And then type in the beneficiary's name and then their phone number and then their address. Then the method of contact, let's say they were a walk-in client, the plans that were discussed, the date of the appointment will automatically default to today's date. Then we'll hit continue. It then carries over the agent name, so all the agent has to do is hit Apply e-signature as their signature and then go ahead and hit sign. So very simple process to do there. From there we can preview the document so we can see that these were the products that they agreed to discuss. Their initial is there. This is their signature, so it does say that they electronically signed it with a date code and their IP address that they signed it on, and then it has the rest of the information here that the agent completed towards the bottom here. So then from there you can hit Save to Library. So this is then going to save to your document locker. And then from here, within your document locker, you can have different folders. So if you wanted to store all of your scopes in one location, you can have a scopes folder, and then you could drag all of your scopes into that folder. Maybe you want to create subfolders for each of your different clients. You can do so. We also have the option for you to upload any other documents as well. So if you currently have scopes on your desktop, or if you want to scan them and upload them in here so you don't have to worry about having paper copies, you can upload them there as well. We also allow you to create your own folders too, so you can also create that folder. For any reason, if you ever need to export any of these documents, you can export your entire locker on here as well, so you can always have access to those in a different way. If you ever need to preview any of your scopes, you can also preview them here. You can download them, print them off, save them, upload them to any applications that you may need. On your document locker, you can also then create an electronic document as well. It kind of takes you back to that scope page here. So just wanted to quickly show you what it looks like if you were also trying to do an email signature link. So I can type in their name, giving that document a title, hit save and continue, agreeing to the terms and the conditions of like the electronic signature process, and hit continue. My applicant is not in the same physical location as me. I am going to provide an email signature link. So this is where you would just type in their email and hit continue. Then it will then let you know that it is currently awaiting an applicant's email signature, and then you can go back to your documents. And you can see in your incomplete section here, it is say that it is awaiting that email signature. So your client will receive an email with a link. It will give them a verification code. They will enter in that verification code and complete their section. When they have completed it, it will tell you here on this status that it is awaiting producer data. Then as the agent, you can go in by clicking their name, and then you can then complete your portion of the form. So it's very easy to use, very user friendly. If you have any questions on how to use it, you can always contact New Horizons or CSG Actuarial. We are always happy to assist you.